Hello guys, what's up? Welcome again. So today I'll discuss on American Airlines Group INC. So this is AAL. So what's going on? So why the stock is in this shape? Okay, so in 1 day period the stock went down significantly. It is 53 cents down and it is now only $10.37. It's a big time down. So what about 5 days? In 5 days period, it is down by a lot. Like it was in 1175 5 days ago on June 10, and it is today on June 13. It has become only $10.37. So it is down significantly, almost $1.50. So what about 1 month? 1 month shows downtrend too. In 1 month period, it was from $11.84 to today's $10.37. It is a big time decrease in price. What about 6 months? So the 6 months tells you the same story. So 6 months ago, it was $16.52, which is around $6 higher. So which is a big time decline if you consider 6 months. What about 1 year? It has been in sideways if you consider 1 year, because 1 year ago the price was $11.28. It is almost there. So it, because it went up significantly and then again it went down significantly, so it is in like sideways movement scenario in 1 year period. So 5 year period, again it is in downtrend. So it was $16 5 years ago. Now it is $10.37. It's not a good way. The stock is moving. It's not in a good direction. So it is in downtrend if you consider the trends. And now what about financials? So okay, before that let us see the year OTD return. It is minus 40.50% compared to S&P 500's plus 1.62% return. What about 1 year? 1 year it is down by 9.35%, while S&P 500 went up by 10%. What about 5 years? It tells you the same story. It is in the negative direction. And if you consider 5 year S&P 500 return, it is significantly higher. It is plus 96.53% compared to minus 38.05%, which is for AAL. So what is its financials? So the profit margin is quite a bit low. It is 1.26%, which is absolutely horrendously low. What about return on equity? It doesn't show any figure here. So what is diluted EPS? So EPS is $1, which is good, but what about these things? So profit margin is not in good shape. So and return on asset is 3.03%, which is absolutely a really bad percentage. So what about forward P, trailing P? So forward P, trailing P are there in good shape, but the problem is not there. Problem is the margin. So it is not growing that much. So if a company doesn't grow that much, investors lose confidence and interest in investing. So what about analyst price targets? So analyst thinks average analyst expectation is $13.55, which is like a little bit higher than the current price, like $3 higher. So the analysts are expecting the price should be in $13.55, while it is only $10.37 now. So there is a possibility of a price hike according to analysts' expectations. Okay, so what about the news? Why this stock is not moving in positive direction? So if you consider news, so what's going on is this is an important article for me. Like airfares fall 7% in May amid Trump tariff uncertainty, weak travel demand. So airfares fell by 7% in May because of Trump's policies. So this is going to be a long-term issue if Trump keeps on putting his policies in place like this, it's not going to do good for the airline company. So keep watching and be vigilant to what's going on in the policy rooms, like in Senate or and House, so that there is like a directional move in the future. Like if there is a good thing, like if Trump uplifts the tariffs or uplifts the and diminishes the visa related uncertainties, like people can come and visit USA, those types of things. If Trump starts to do, then maybe again airlines companies will feel that yes, this is a good time, we can raise the airfares. So that is a good situation for them. It will happen if there is a policy change, otherwise not. So keep watching and be vigilant, and until this point it is not looking good. That is what's my opinion. So thank you for watching, have a good day, bye.